Solve x squared plus 4x minus 7 equals 0 using the quadratic formula. Leave answers in simplest radical form. The quadratic formula provides a way to solve quadratic equations that are not easily factorable. We identify a, b, and c from our given equation and plug them into the formula. We substitute a equals 1, b equals 4, and c equals minus 7 into the quadratic formula to find the values of x that satisfy the equation. We simplify the expression under the square root. For squared minus 4 open bracket 1 close bracket open bracket minus 7 close bracket equals 16 plus 28 equals 44. So, our equation becomes x equals minus 4 plus or minus square root of 442. We can simplify square root of 44 as square root of 4 times 11 equals square root of 4 times square root of 11 equals 2 square root of 11. Thus, our solutions are x equals minus 4 plus or minus 2 square root of 112 equals minus 2 plus or minus square root of 11.